Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101, and I would like to welcome you to RV 101, Understanding Your RV. Today's topic is RV batteries. Two of the most frequent questions I get asked are, why does my RV battery keep dying, and why does my RV battery only last 1 or 2 camping seasons? The answer is simple. The more you understand about lead-acid batteries, the longer they will last. Let's take a closer look at RV batteries. Properly maintained deep cycle lead-acid batteries should last for 6 or more years. Unfortunately, some RV owners replace RV batteries every year or two. Extending your RV battery's life is not that difficult. It just requires some battery knowledge and basic care and maintenance. Caution: keep safety in mind whenever you work on or around lead-acid batteries. Lead-acid batteries contain sulfuric acid that is extremely corrosive and can cause severe burns. The hydrogen gas produced by lead-acid batteries during charging is explosive. When you work around batteries, you need to wear goggles, gloves, and remove any jewelry. Do not smoke or use any open flames around batteries. Here are 5 things you can do to prevent replacing your RV batteries every year or two. Number 1. The leading cause for dead lead-acid batteries is sulfation. When a battery is in a low state of charge, small crystals start forming on the plates, and if the battery stays in this condition for an extended period of time, the battery is ruined. So, recharging a discharged battery in a timely manner helps prevent sulfation from killing your battery. Number 2. Reducing a battery's depth of discharge will increase the life of the battery. A battery discharged to 50% every day will last longer than a battery cycled to 80% every day. So, in addition to recharging a discharged battery in a timely manner, reducing the amount it is discharged or cycled is helpful too. Number 3. On the other hand, overcharging a battery can kill the battery too. When outside temperatures heat up and during periods of high battery usage, you need to check water levels in your lead-acid batteries more frequently. Checking the electrolyte levels and adding distilled water as needed will extend the life of your lead-acid batteries. When you add water to a battery, use mineral-free water. Distilled water is best. Regular tap water contributes to calcium sulfation. Number 4. RVs have parasitic loads that can discharge a battery. Some, but not all of these loads are LP gas leak detectors, stereos, and appliance circuit boards. If your RV is equipped with a battery disconnect switch, make sure it is in the off position when you are not using the RV or when the RV is in storage. If the RV doesn't have a battery disconnect, you can have one installed, or you can disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent these small loads from discharging the battery. Number 5. Batteries self-discharge when sitting idle. The rate of discharge depends on several variables, but it's not uncommon for a battery to self-discharge 2 to 3% of the stored charge every month. If the battery sits in storage for several months, this self-discharging can result in battery sulfation that we discussed earlier. There are other things you can do to extend battery life, but keeping up with these 5 items is a great start. The common denominator for the 5 items we just discussed is keeping your RV batteries fully charged. I recommend testing the battery state of charge once a month and charging any battery at or below an 80% charge. A quick and easy way to test the state of charge is by measuring the voltage using a digital voltmeter. Set the voltmeter on DC voltage and place the red lead on the positive terminal and the black lead on the negative terminal to read battery voltage. Any 12-volt battery with a reading of 12.5 volts or less needs to be charged, and any 6-volt battery with a reading of 6.25 volts or lower needs to be charged. Happy camping!